Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create one video demonstrating how we can create custom animations for the Unreal Engine 5 Mannequin. So Unreal is open. Before we start, I'm going to check few settings for our proper navigation options. So I need to switch on this invert middle mouse pan. After that, I will check this option. Next, we are going to turn this option on, and lastly I'm going to check these two options on. So once done, now it is very convenient for navigation inside Unreal. So the first thing I'll do is I'll create one level sequence. I'll keep it inside content, keep the name as it is, and I'll create it. So we can see the sequencer is right here. I'll go to content drawer and we will find where the mannequin character is. So it is inside content, character, mannequin, animation. We can see a lot of animations here, but for now I'm going to use idle and I'm going to put it inside. Then we need to put it inside sequencer, so go to track, actor to sequencer, and idle. Now we can see that a control rig has been created and this character is able to create motions using this control rig. This is a simple rig using which we can create pose. So for demonstration purpose I am going to create a pose using this hand control. So I'm just creating my pose. So consider this is my pose. Once the modifications has been done using the controls, we can create a key. I'm going to duplicate this key and I'm put it over frame 30, and I'm going to add another key somewhere in frame 15. So this is the changes I have done and I'm going to put a key. So this is my small animation. Like this, whatever poses has been created, animation has been created. Once done, once satisfied, we are going to bake it. So select this option, bake animation sequence. We're going to put it inside content, give it a proper path and a name, and export it. After export, you can check like this is our keyframe animation. So I created something in this first 30 frames and you can find it here. So this is something we can create from scratch like we do in other softwares like Maya keyframe animations. Now what if we need to modify an existing animations? That also is quite easy to manage here. I'm going to clean this. I'm going to add this again inside sequencer I'm going to delete this. This will clean up everything. I'm going to add one animation from here. So the animation has been added. I'm going to reduce the timeline. We can check one walk cycle animation has been added. Now we need to bake this. So we are going to baking this to control rig. Keep these settings as it is, and again the control rig, editable rig has been added. The same way we did last time, we are going to do something similar here also. So suppose in this walk cycle I'm going to move this head a little bit up. I'm doing some modification here. So once whatever the change has been done in the pose, once done, you need to key it. So now you can see there is a change in pose. Okay, the same way, suppose at this particular frame I want some modification in the hand. I'll make it go a little bit wide. I'm going to do the modification and I'm going to key it. So we can see the changes. So once done, once we all are satisfied with the changes, animation edits, we are going to bake it again. I am putting this bake in the same path with almost the same name, and I'm going to export it. So here we can find this new modified animation. So to be very specific, we can see there is a change in hand. This the changes that we did, and now the head is moving up. So like this we can do all these modifications and animations. So that's how you can create and edit animations inside Unreal Engine. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.